Have you ever worked with a PDF document that has no page numbers? Whether it's a business report, contract, ebook, research paper, invoice, or presentation, missing page numbers make documents difficult to read, navigate, print, and reference. If you're looking for a quick and free solution, Softaken Add Page Numbers Online Free makes the process simple and professional. The problem: many PDF documents are shared without page numbers. This creates several issues. Readers cannot easily locate specific pages. Printed documents become confusing when pages get mixed up. Business reports and legal documents look less professional. Teachers, students, and office employees waste time finding information. Manually editing PDFs using complex software is difficult and time-consuming. These problems can reduce productivity and make document management frustrating. The solution: that's where Softaken Add Page Numbers Online Free helps. It allows you to insert page numbers into your PDF documents in just a few clicks. No software installation is required. Simply upload your PDF, customize the page number settings, and download the updated file instantly. It's fast, secure, and completely browser-based. Benefits of adding page numbers online: sequential numbering, number pages automatically. Position options: place numbers where you want. Private processing: files stay secure. Free to use, no cost. All pages at once. Number every page instantly. No software needed. Works in your browser. No sign-up required. Start immediately. Fast and easy. Quick processing in a few clicks. How to use: Step 1. Upload your PDF. Select or drag and drop your PDF file. Step 2. Choose position and format. Set the page number, location, and style. Step 3. Download numbered PDF. Save your PDF with page numbers instantly. Conclusion: if you want an easy, fast, and professional way to add page numbers to your PDF files, Softaken Add Page Numbers Online Free is an excellent choice. Try it today and organize your PDF documents with perfectly numbered pages in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.